YouTube channel.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
You can see by the title, today I am doing my house tour. In my previous videos, I got few comments where people want to see my house. So today I'm recording this video. I'm in a rush because the daylight is going. Without any further ado, let's get on to the video. So this is my house and this is the entry of our house. We have our Ganpati Bappa on the top. Then this is our door, gate, whatever. Really the whole house is done by my mom, which is behind the camera, and she's very shy to come. So I'm taking her role. Everything in this house, okay, I have to give a rewind. We'll go give it inside. We have this door, and then we have this bell which we got from Switzerland, from John Fro, and we have this, and this is the window, and we just kept 3 candles over here. A mat. It's quite similar to the gate over here, and just decorations along it. So we got we have this since 15 years.
Ponta Sahib mein the liye the.
Yeah, there is this bell that we have, we ring it, and I'm gonna show you inside now. So you see our mom there, and we can talk or record whoever it is, and we can talk from inside if it's an unknown person. Come inside the house. So that was a little skit we planned. Hope you liked it. And now for the real house tour. So as you enter a house, and this is the entry, you get the first room, which is our bar area. So this is obviously my dad's hobby. He got this bar 20 years back. He doesn't buy a new bar for some reason. He has this attachment with this bar. Gorgeous glasses, and then we have the whole area, glasses, the fancy stuff, and then we have this shots glasses. Buddhaji, keep the Buddhaji where the entrance is. So you should face the entrance. The bar chair. So this is the bar chairs that we have, which we use to click photos. And we have 2 chairs. I don't know how to bring that up, otherwise I would have. So that is the bar chair that we have, and this is the first room as you enter in a house. So this is the chandelier, which it is so pretty. This fancy lighting chandelier over here. And also before we get into the rest of the video, I want to say, so we are living here for 8 years. Then we got this house and we renovated it. When it was getting renovated, we were living in the down apartment. So all the renovation that we have done is done by my mom. There is no nothing inspired by or something. She has this crazy thing about decorating. So everything you see here, the partition, the walls, the tiles, and the chandelier, everything is done by my mom, which she will not come in front of the camera and force her to. I showed her so many Pinterest inspos, none she wanted to do on her own. So everything, this partition was her idea, and told them that we want this. So this was her design. This is pretty much about our first room, is a bar room. We kept it pretty empty because we want this to be very clean and clear out room. You have the first room that you enter. This, as soon as you enter, you get this washroom. This is my mom's washroom. It's so fancy, I love it. This is the shower area we have, and she has all the fancy products over there, Victoria's Secret. And then this is the wash basin. Look at these cute towels. She has kept it, these decorate, kept beige brown tone to it, and everything is brown and beige. So that was the tone for this bathroom. This was the washroom, the first washroom as soon as you enter the room. Coming more forward, we have our family photo, and we have this full mirror. So, my mom doesn't have a lot of stuff she uses, but she has this tiny stuff that she uses. We got from Dubai, the YSL perfumes, and the next column she has more perfumes, little stuff for my mom's middle area. And then you come into the room. So this is the first room. Oh my god, I hate that photo. Okay, cute little curtains. This whole room has a brown and beige tone, and then you have these cupboards. Look at that. My mom has this thing of organizing. Everything should be top notch for her, so she organizes everyone's cupboard. And coats, t-shirts. Next cupboard. Oh my god, Look at that, how many coats. Actually a TV was there on the wall, but it got damaged or not working. It got spoiled because of the beach, so we had to keep it over here for time being, for the company to come and collect it. Wall is for the TV. So this is our first window, like a small beach you can see. This was our first room. Now my mom's favorite room. To keep it clean, nobody should enter it, nobody should sit on it. It is supposed to be clean. Living room over here. Is so pretty. This is my favorite room. I'll start with the wall, like the highlight of our house. I didn't even know what this wall is. Like, you know, told that guy that I want a 3D wall. Then we knew, okay, 3D wall bhi kuch hota hai. So my mom's idea, she put the 3D wall over here. Then we have our sofas, fully white, and the whole house is white. So these are the sofas, just so pretty, kind of risky but pretty. A center table which we got with the sofa. Hanging basket, and we have a remotes inside it. We have kept this like Pinteresty inspired.
पता नहीं की है कपड़ा गिराया है बेकार गंदा होने है.
This was my idea. I told her to like put it like this because I've seen it in so many Pinterest things. So the whole room's vibe is brown and white. So that's how she kept the curtains. The curtains are velvet brown, and then we have white sheet curtains in the center. So now to this area we have our TV. Who is she? She's so cute. I have our TV and my vlog is going on right now. If you haven't watched it, go like, subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so we have our TV over here. We have all the boring TV stuff. Then we have another Ganpati Bappa over here. Here, so cute. We have this cute panda which goes with the whole vibe. We have few photos. And then we have this record player which my brother gifted my dad. There's a lamp over here because when it is on, we switch on our sunset lamp, it looks so beautiful. So this is it, and coming next, this partition out.
ये बिना पार्टीशन खाली सा लग रहा था. यहाँ डाल देना चाहिए ही. इसके डालने से पार्टीशन हो जाएगा. डाइनिंग एरिया सेपरेट हो जाएगा.
You come move forward, you come in the dining area, and enter, you get this cupboard. We have all the crockery placed inside. We'll show you the favorite one. Little crockery section. Yeah, dining table, which is also white. 4 chairs and 1 stool kind of thing. And this we got from Disneyland. And my mom burned the whole thing, so I have that to hide it. Have this dining table, a fancy fan, a remote over here, which we placed inside the teddy bear. Remote, we have the light which is in the center of the fan. You can change the colors. You switch on the fan. You switch on the So that's the fan and that's the light, and it changes colors, and that is just above our dining table. This table, and here we have extra stuff over here. These are my grandpas, my Nanaji and my Dadaji. And then here we have a Ganpati Bappa gifted by my Nanaji. How many years back? Batao.
Almost 22.
So this was given by my Nanaji, and we always have it with us. So, and then we have this beautiful, so we have this glass Ganpati, and this came with a set where you have the, so this is our dining room. Dining room, we have my room, which I'm not gonna show. First, it's beauty. Second, I did a lot of room tours on my channel, so if you want to see my room tour, so go check them out. Come into my brother's room. I took that room thinking that room is the biggest room, and you know I want that. I took that room, but the real deal is my brother's room because you get the beach view directly from my brother's room, and I wanted this, but he took it. We have the switches over here. So this is my brother's working area. Whenever he comes, he works from here. Working area, desk, and this is my brother's gaming chair where I click a lot of photos. I like this chair. It's kind of boring because he's hardly here. Behind the TV, then we have the TV. We have Alexa teddy bears, which we use to hide the wires. He has so many wires, which is so disgusting, but I put teddy bears to hide that. And that's that area. And guitars. This box is so old. When we were kids, it's that old. So this is his bed, and I gifted him that because I'm the best sister in the whole world. Then we have his side table. So the real deal in my brother's room, bro. I am so jealous. I am so jealous of this room. Now that I grew up, I was like, I should have taken this. You remove the curtains and you open this area. Whole beach view over here. Today it's kind of gloomy. I'm gonna play some videos when it's sunny and the beach is shining and stuff. Beach. This is the view that you get from a balcony. And I'm gonna show you the rest of the balcony now. As you enter, we have the wooden flooring. Then we have this swing over here, a sitting area over here, there's this mini gym over here. This is our balcony from the room, and little plants over here. He also has this full-size mirror and a light over here, and then he has his little stuff over here as usual. And then we get to his washroom, which is this. We have this area and on the lights. Okay, area in his washroom over here. Then the shower area, that's the shower area over there. We have our fridge over here. So we have this, all the stuff where we travel, little stuff, water thing, a toy which is a water cooler, which is basically kept on the water cooler, thing for water. Our pantry, starting from here, we have the microwave, then we have oven, this pantry, and we have that pantry. As soon as you open, have all the stuff kept in the pantry. We have all the ration stuff. Below we have all the toiletry stuff. That's the pantry. From the pantry you get into the way of kitchen. First we have our temple. We have put the temple door. Inside of temple we have the kitchen. We have white kitchen. मम्मी यू कैन डू इट यार, यू गॉट दिस।
आटा डालने का हम वो कंटेनर बोलते हैं इसे। आप इसको प्रेस करोगे तो इसमें आटा आ जाएगा थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। ये हमारा कॉफी मशीन है, ये नाइफ स्टैंड है, और ये आपका मल्टीपर्पज कुछ भी आप रख सकते हैं। गैस है। अब ये खाली ना सब्जी बनानी है मेरे को, आलू गोभी की। हाँ, ये भी राजमा, पंजाबियों ने मेन राजमा भी बन रहे हैं, बने नहीं। मैं इसी में कुक करती हूँ, इसी में बनाती हूँ। जब बहुत ज़्यादा धुआं हो जाता है तो कैसे बोलिए, you press like this, then you stop. ये मतलब देखो मैंने लगाया। Okay, stop कर दो।
हाँ।
Okay. Then ये कैबिनेट्स हैं, इसके ऊपर मैंने पॉट्स रखे हुए हैं। मैं आपको खोल कर दिखा दूँ। ये मेरे स्पाइसेस हैं, ये भी मेरे बहुत छोटे छोटे से हैं। ये इसमें मैंने काला नमक रखा है, अजवाइन रखी है। देन ये मेरा सारे दालें वगैरह, शुगर, राइस वगैरह सब रखा हुआ है। सेक्शन है आपका एक्स्ट्रा स्टफ। लाइट हो गया, लाइट वो ना एक ही हुआ, शायद मेरी इसका वायर लूज हो गया दोनों का, तो इन पर तीनों में लाइट है। देन ये कप,
बहुत चाय पीते हैं हम लोग।
अभी और चाय ना पिए तो वही बात आ जाती है। कप एंड सॉसर्स हैं। हाँ, ये वाले कप एंड सॉसर के बात बताऊंगी। ऑलमोस्ट 22 ईयर्स बैक पॉन्टा साई में होला मोहल्ला लगता था, मैं वहाँ से ये मुझे अच्छे से याद है 120 का ये 6 का सेट लेके आई। Only 120 rupees.
Wow, मम्मी 120.
120 only.
Wow.
तब से मेरे साथ हैं। और ग्लासेस हैं। मेरी छोटी सी केतली है, और ये पानी का जग है। बीच की वजह से बहुत डस्ट आती है यहाँ पे, तो इस वजह से मैं इसको क्लोज कर देती हूँ। जब मेरे को काम शुरू होता है इसमें भी लाइट जलता है, पता है। लाइट लगता है तो मैं इसको ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती। ये मेरा वॉश बेसिन है, सिंक बोल सकते हैं, ग्लास का है, और मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगता है छोटी सी। व्हाइट के ऊपर ब्लैक।
Yeah.
पूरा रात है, पूरा बीच दिखता है आपको इधर से इधर से।
वीडियोस अभी जब व्हेन इट्स लाइक डे लाइट तो आपको दिखेगा पूरा बीच, अभी तो अंधेरा हो गया है तो
अनियन एंड पोटैटोज का बास्केट है दोनों का। इनमें आलू और प्याज रखे हुए हैं। ये स्पून्स का सेक्शन है मेरे स्पून। इधर है स्मॉल प्लेट्स, इधर है बिग प्लेट्स एंड इधर वाला सेक्शन जो है कैस्ट्रोल में बाहर आ जाता है। तो इसको मैं इस तरीके से, किचन मेरा फेवरेट प्लेस है तो इसको मैं इसको बहुत आउट रखती हूँ आगे। सेक्शन है एंड प्लेट्स एंड इसको मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगे थे। सेक्शन आ गया ट्रेस का, तो स्टफ है जो मुझे
स्मॉल क्यूट स्टफ शी हैज।
इधर मेरा एक्स्ट्रा जो बर्तन हैं सारे बड़े बड़े। ऑयल सेक्शन है, ऑयल वाला, इसमें ऑयल्स वगैरह मैं एक्स्ट्रा बॉटल्स रखती हूँ। मस्टर्ड ऑयल, ये भी ऑयल का, इसमें ऑयल लेके परांठे में लगाऊँ। टूट लगी थी तो मैं ले आई, ये भी ऑयल बॉटल्स हैं। ये इसमें तो नीचे आपको पता ही है इसमें एक्स्ट्रा सब। मैं टिफिन वगैरह रखती हूँ। ये मेरी किचन है जी जो कि पूरी वाइट है। सबने बोला कि जब ये किचन बन रहा था तो बनाने वाले थे, उन्होंने भी बोला कि मैम वाइट स्लैब कोई नहीं रखता है, हल्दी का निशान आएगा, आप ब्लैक लगाओ ब्राउन लगाओ। मैंने कहा मुझको टोटली वाइट चाहिए, तो ये भी वाइट जिद में लगवाया और ये मैं उसको मेंटेन करती हूँ सारा दिन। कोई चीज़ भी इसको गंदा नहीं होने देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे वाइट बहुत पसंद है।
और यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने ये रखवा,
ये फैंसी निकलते ही बाहर आप आ जाइए। इन सब निकलते ही मेरा यूटिलिटी एरिया है। यहाँ पर मैं वहाँ वॉशिंग वगैरह करती हूँ। विंडो हो जो कि कनेक्टेड है, या वॉशिंग एरिया। इसमें वॉशिंग मशीन करती हूँ, से धूप पे होती हूँ, सारा सामान उनका वहाँ पड़ा है। और फ्रूट्स वगैरह मैं बाहर रख देती हूँ क्योंकि अंदर थोड़ा सा मच्छर वगैरह आ जाता है।
वी हैव होल बीच इधर। आई विल प्लेस अ वीडियो अभी।
एरिया था, ठीक है जी।
Hi guys, so this is me as usual. I forgot to film an outro, but here I am. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had so much fun filming it. Took so much cleaning and a lot of energy to film this video, and my mom did so much for this video. And this video I want to give credit to my mom. Without her this video wouldn't be possible. It means so much to us if you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.
And all the